Yeah, I think, God had a plan through that whole thing. Like here I was in 2002, 2003, I was in the music business. So I was going to 2 to 3 concerts a week and I was open tab and all of this stuff. But I think in that moment, even before I met my now wife, was like, God started to put in my heart, like, is this the life that you really want? I remember being specifically at a concert in downtown Seattle, and there's a lady, I'm in my early 20s. There's a lady in her late 30s, and she's there, and I'm going, man, do I want to be her age and at a concert 2 to 3 nights a week and away from my family? And I remember that so strongly. And so, yeah, I mean, I definitely had to take a step back and realize, okay, we got to make some serious changes. And so I started just to replace, going to concerts, going to bars and stuff like that for a little bit. I had to get stronger mentally and spiritually before I could feel comfortable going back into those environments.